Hey, good morning, Flynn. Okay, so there's something I'm talking to you today that hasn't really happened today. It's something that's more like a process. See, my cousin can make like a few different interesting and strange sounds with his mouth. And I found myself like subconsciously and sometimes consciously working on being able to mimic it. So basically, if he can make some weird sound, eventually I'm going to like make that weird sound as well. For instance, when you're beatboxing, something you can do is like, I can't describe it, but it's like coughing with your mouth closed, and it makes like a techno bass for like beatboxing. So it's like yeah, so like it looks gross, it is weird, but it's like really fun to do, and it's so he was able to do that, and I wasn't. And so like over the course of a few months, like I don't remember if I like actively consciously practiced somehow, but it was like all of a sudden I was like able to start doing it better and better. And the same with another thing he can do. He would make this sound that sounded like a chick chirping, like a baby like chicken. Our grandma had these chicks and in this box in our basement, and they would make these little chirping sounds, and it's like so he could make this sound and I couldn't. He used to do it to like pretend to be one of the chicks. When he does a sound, my brain is like, okay, we're gonna learn this now. My subconscious must have very high regards for my cousin's noise making. Anyway, so I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Yeah, see ya. God bless.